Okay, good morning everyone and welcome back to our live. Dito tayo ngayon muli sa Xavier School para na naman sa isang kapanapanabik na laban between the College of San Agustin versus our LaSalle Green Hills. Let the battle begin. Starting five, Loki Cruz, Jay Abonita, Joaquin Sanchez, Yao, and Abelion. For our LaSalle Green Hills. Let's go! First ball, makukuha ng San Agustin. Number 26. Miss. Pass to Cruz. Loki. There is a foul. First basket. Wala. Basket. First basket muna sa CSA. Belion, steal. Odrani, outlet pass to number 12. Basket. Jersey number 12. Cruz, up and under, missed. Rebound ng CSA. Steal by Jai. Abonita, nagmamadali. Here comes Jai, block. Oh, that's an out of bounds. Good defense for CSA. Joaquin. There's a foul. Two shots for Joaquin Sanchez. Steal by Jai. Abonita gets the score. Official score is 3-4 in favor of CSA. Number 38. Bad pass. Abonita, step, gets a foul. First shot is good. Time remaining 6 minutes and 16 seconds. Second shot for Jai. Basket. Change favor. Favor of LaSalle Green Hills. Number 24, 26. Umatake. What a strong move for CSA. Number 26, Abonita, nabitawan. Finding the loose ball, rebound by Bunrani. Outlet pass. Number 28, steal by Cruz. Cruz, nagagawan. Pass to Joaquin. Here comes Cruz, crossover. Cruz, sidestep, no good. Rebound. Joaquin, no good. Yao, basket for Yao. Change favor. Favor our LaSalle. Bunrani. Pass number 26. Nasa corner. Back to number 26. Steal by Jai. Abonita. Spin. Pass to Cruz. 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 Oy, nabangan. Oh, a block by jersey number 8. Grabe, naging preparation ngayon ng CSA to get the defense. Correction, 8 and 6 ang ating official score. Abelion. Oh. It's a warning for delaying the game. Cruz. Oopsie. It's a travel. 4 minutes and 10 seconds. Naitawid ang CSA. Here comes Bunrani. Kick out. Oh! At may sagot ang CSA. Tabla tayo sa 8. Jai. Abonita. Steal by number 13. Uy, naitawid. Libre sa kabila. Shoot na nga ang CSA. Change favor. Lamang ulit ang CSA. Oopsie. Official time out. Time remaining 2 minutes and 58 seconds. Bola rito ng ating LaSalle. Cruz. Pass to Teo. Villegas. To Cruz. Cruz. There's a foul. Teo. Pass to Jai for 3. No good. Rebound by Cruz. Cruz sumalaksak at basket yan. Para ka sa LSGH. Tabla ulit tayo sa 10. Ayan na, CSA, maitatawid ba? Steal by Jai. Abonita! Basket! Back-to-back basket for Jai. A correction for Cruz pala, another steal for Cruz. Cruz! Another foul for CSA. Time out. CSA. Official score 12-10. Or 12-11 rather, according sa ating official. With the time remaining 1 minute and 34 seconds on the game clock. Back to the ball game. Two shots for Loki Cruz. First shot is good. Second shot for Loki Cruz. Ano po? Ay, sige po. 2 for 2. Gila mami, okay lang. Mataas naman po. Good morning. Ayan ang CSA. Stop and pump. Gets the foul for Teo. Two shots by jersey number 14. 1 minute and 9 seconds para sa ating first period. Second shot, number 14, basket. 14-12. Pabasa dalawang lamang ng Lasal. Balahaja, miss. Rebound ng CSA. To number 8. Ayan na, number 8. Uy. No basket. Number 8, and that's a trouble. Remaining time, last 36 seconds. Cruz. Oh, bad pass. Good. Last 24, steal by Balahaja. Pass to Cruz, last 19 seconds. Cruz, 3 against 3. Cruz, no good. Rebound by number 14. Last 10 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 4, 3. Uy, wala. Isa pa. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating first period. Official scores 14-12 in favor of Lasal Green Hills. Okay, tayo dadakan na sa ating second half period. Ay, lupa. Hiding. Up. Okay. Tied it down na sa second period. Bola ng CSA. Goldrani. Bad pass. Let's go. Lasal, Green Hills Basketball. Jai to Teo, crossover. Teo, kick out. Bulacan, pass to Abelion. Abelion, bad pass, steal ng CSA. Number 26, uli. Last touch. Uy, number 22. Manny. Step back. Miss. Rebound by Abelion. Pass to Jai. Jai. Abonita using the glass and score. 16-12. Bola ng CSA. Oh, bad pass. Balahaja with a steal. Pass to Teo. Villegas. Too strong. Rebound by Budrani. Pass to number 26. Uy, walang tawag. Good. Gets the 3. Short. Rebound ng Lasal. Abelion nagmamadali. Ayan na. Oh, sorry, that's Centeno, rather. Centeno. Out of bounds. Last. Oh, see. Stepping on the line. Teo looking for his teammate. Pass to Bulacan. Bulacan, 4-3. No good. Rebound. Centeno. Kick out to Teo. Jump shot. In and out. Another rebound for Centeno. Fade away shot. And basket is good for Centeno. Oh, be a move. Galing yan kay Centeno. 6-7. Hey, what's up, bro? Liam. Teo. Uy, what a pass! Oh! Nakita ni Teo ngayon. Open. Big man. That is a Centeno. Basket count and 1. Bonus shot for a 3-point play. Centeno gets the basket. 21-12. Bola ng CSA. Ayun na. Nagmamadali. Number 26. Ooh, it's a foul by Balahadia. Two shots for Santos. Number 26. First shot is good. Okay, sorry po. Time remaining 6 minutes and 17 seconds. Basket. 21-14. Pass to Centeno, 4-3, no good. Rebound. Goldrani nagmamadali. Up and under, miss. Rebound by Centeno. Boy. There's a foul by Santos. That's a blocking foul. Time remaining 4 minutes and 41 seconds. Hey, what's up, bro? Bulacan, pass to Jai, 4-3, miss, rebound. Out of bounds. Nice. 4-3, short, rebound, Balahadia, miss. Centeno fadeaway shot, miss again. But this time, kuha na. Uy, naipit ata. That was, ayun na. Oh, timeout, official timeout for Balahadia. That's a 3-point for CSA. Get Wilson, bro. Wait lang po. Official timeout. Get Wilson, bro. Alright, let's go. Back to the ball game. Abonita, pass to. Oh, steal. Alright. Ayun na ang CSA. Oh. There's a foul. 2 shots for Budrani. Number 48. Basket is good. Oh, hindi pumasok daw. Oh, error. Bola ng CSA. Oh, steal by Jai. Abonita all the way. Basket. Well, CSA. Podrani, pass to number 8. To Podrani from elbow 3. No good. Rebound. Number 26. And score. 23-19. Jai, pass to Bulacan. Oopsie, bad pass. Bulacan, short, rebound. Oh, sorry, that's Maninding. There's a foul. Bad pass. Oh, block. Jai. There's a foul. Oops. Napaka-aggressive yan. Hindi itang pinapakita ni Jai. Good luck, bro. Kamusta? Okay. Bulacan. Pass to Jai. Jai with the Hesi. Crossover. Maninding. Pass to Abonita. Abonita. Sidestep. Pass to Maninding. Running shot, too strong. Rebound. Joaquin. Oh. Snap. Buzzer na yun. That's a 24-second shot clock violation. Last 52 seconds. Bola ng CSA. Oh, steal! Abuelita! And gets the foul for Santos. Oh, sorry, that's Karam Sandani. 2 shots for Jai Abuelita. Hey! Ay! Ano? Mamaya?
Mamaya?
Mamaya pang hapon? Ay, tanghali?
Ito na.
Next. Okay.
Ayang next game.
Bodrani. Pass to number 26. To number 13. 4-3. No good. Rebound by Cruz. Cruz. Low pick up. Floater. Wala. Rebound. Ay na nagagawan. Uy, good hustle. Grabe si jersey number 12. That's Andaya. Let's go, Lasal. Cruz, fake. Hesi, kick out. Andaya for 3. Yes, para sa dress. For Andaya. At nakuha na ni Andaya ang kanilang unang field goal sa 3 points pa. Last 1 seconds. 1.6 seconds. It's a catch and shoot for Lasal. Ira Cruz. Catch and shoot. Oh! And that's the end of our first half. Official score at 26-19 in favor of Lasal Green Hills. Okay, magkakat po muna tayo for the meantime at magbabalik para sa third quarter and second half. Hanggang sa muli. Maraming salamat.